Hello kids, welcome to my channel Learn with Tuntara. In this video we will learn about some 2D and 3D shapes. So let's start. This is black color. It is cross. It is cylinder. It is a 3D shape. It is multiplication symbol. It is cube. Cube is a 3D shape. It is heart. It is L shape. Now let us know about the color name. These are our colors. It is blue color. It is yellow color. It is green color. It is red color. It is orange color. It is violet color. Let us color the shapes. This is blue color. It is cross. It is a symbol. It is addition symbol. It is yellow color. It is cylinder. It is a 3D. It is green color. It is multiplication symbol. It is orange color. This shape is cube. It is a 3D shape. This is red color. This shape is heart. This is violet color. This shape is L shape. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. This is cross, blue color, cylinder, yellow color, multiplication symbol, green color, cube, orange color, heart, red color, L shape, violet color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.